Good evening, everyone. So, how are you all? This is Pradeep, your friend, once again with you all with the new topic that is what is MySQL. So, let's talk about this. So, developed in 90s. So, means this software came into the 90s and it is a first open source database available in the market. So, first of all, we should know what is ओपन सोर्स. सो एवरीबडी नोज दैट कि अगर आपको कोई सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करना है तो यू शुड हैव मनी टू पे इट and then you can download it and you can use it, but open source is a kind of software which is freely available on the net and you can download it and आप उसमें अपने तरह से काम कर सकते हैं, उसको freely use कर सकते हैं. So that is what open source means. Free for all or free for all, anyone can use it and anyone can install it and can work on it. MySQL is an RDBMS. RDBMS, as we have already discussed, RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. That means if you are working in a DBMS, you required a kind of software which is used to create relationship between two different tables, and it is well organized and you can access the data, you can modify, you can delete, you can connect to table. That is all done in Relational Database Management System. So this is what MySQL is, RDBMS. Now MySQL is pronounced as MySQL, but it is also called MySQL. So कुछ लोग इसको MySQL के नाम से जानते हैं और कुछ लोग इसको MySQL भी कहते हैं. So the name is after the co-founder Michael, and you can see that it is given the name based on the co-founder of Michael Wedner's daughter, right? So let's go ahead. So this is very important to know in your oral interview, viva, you will be getting this kind of question कि सबसे ज़्यादा बेसिक डिफरेंस क्या होता है SQL और MySQL में. So SQL, as SQL full form is structure query language. Language means you understand कि when we want to communicate with someone, we required some kind of language. So suppose there is a MySQL software in which you want to communicate, you want to work, you want to modify the data. तो MySQL में काम करने के लिए जो आपको language यूज होगी वो होगी आपकी SQL. So SQL is a structured query language. It is useful to manage relational database. As we already discussed earlier कि relational database में काम करने के लिए, उसको manage करने के लिए आपको एक language use करना पड़ेगा. That is what SQL. MySQL is an RDBMS to store, retrieve, modify, administrate a database using SQL. So MySQL और SQL में बेसिक डिफरेंस ये है कि MySQL एक ओपन सोर्स सॉफ्टवेयर है जिसमें अगर आपको काम करना है उसके लिए एक लैंग्वेज की जरूरत पड़ेगी और वो है SQL. I hope this point is clear to everyone. Now here there is a table. In this table we are going to see what are the important terms used in your MySQL. So you can see everybody knows कि यहाँ पे आपका रो एंड कॉलम होता है. So this name is department, charges and gender is what column, and here this is what row 0 to 9. बट ये हम नॉर्मल टेबल में कहते हैं, लेकिन अगर आप इसको डेटाबेस में बात करेंगे तो डेटाबेस में रो को हम कहते हैं ट्रिपल और कॉलम को हम कहते हैं एट्रीब्यूट. रो इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज रिकॉर्ड, कॉलम इज ऑल्सो नोन एज फील्ड. सो आपको ये चीज़ बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान रखनी है कि जब भी आप रिकॉर्ड की बात करेंगे, जब भी आप टपल की बात करेंगे तो वो रो होगा, और जब भी आप एट्रीब्यूट की बात करेंगे, फील्ड की बात करेंगे तो वो कॉलम होगा. Okay, now here you can see the column name is called as attribute, data values, and known as row, tuple and record. Okay, and this is what table name is what doctor. Okay, so this is all about this table. Now let's move to the next one. Now this is very important. Most of the teacher, when they take viva, they ask about the degree of the table and the cardinality of the table, and we most of the time we get confused. So आज मैं आपको एक शॉर्टकट भी बताऊंगा जिससे आप इसको अच्छे से याद कर सकते हैं. So degree of a table. First of all, let's understand what is that. Total number of columns in a table is known as degree of a table. means in the previous table you can see here name, age, department, charges and gender. These are the columns. So degree of a column means total number of columns. तो आपके टेबल में कितने columns हैं? You can see here many columns are there. So these column will be called as a degree of a table. Now cardinality of a table. Cardinality means the total number of rows in a table is known as cardinality of a table. Cardinality of a table. Now you can create like this. Suppose this is what degree of a table. So DC degree and C for column. So DC, you can remember this DC word, or if you don't remember that DC one, so remember this CR. CR stands for credit, C for cardinality, and R for row. So like this you can remember CR. Okay, so this is what for today, and next day we will be covering some more point. Thank you. Have a great day.